It's Jessica from TrenCita Johnson, and today I'm going to show you how I do the French braid. We do Dutch braids on a daily basis, but the truth is, the first braid I learned for TrenCita were the French braids. So section off a part of the top hair in the front and split it into 3 equal strands. Now bring the right strand to the middle and the left strand over the middle strand to the middle. Now again the right over and add in some hair. Bring the left strand over and add in some hair. If you want a neater result, don't add too much hair in. Bring right over, add in some hair from the right hand side, and then the left over the middle strand and add in another portion of hair. And like this, you keep on braiding. What I do always in between is to tighten the 3 strands. So after I added in the hair, I pull on the outer sides. Add in hair, and now you pull and you hold with the thumb and your index finger the hair that you added. So pull and hold with the thumb on the top, index finger under, to separate always the 3 strands you are working with. For a neat result of the whole braid, you want to brush through the hair from time to time with your fingers or a comb or a hairbrush, what is the best for you. But as neat as the hair is when you bring it over, as neat will look your braid later in the finished result. To avoid flyaways, you can wetten down the hair a bit. Some people love to braid wet hair. I like better and I prefer much more the dry hair, and I always use a bit argan oil so that the hair would split through my fingers easily. Then when you reach the end, tie off with a hair elastic. And this is our finished result, a French braid in the middle of the head from the very top until the end of her hair. If you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the notification button for not missing any new tutorial. And if you look for more inspiration, check out our Instagram account at TrenCita Johnson. Thank you for watching.